Today we're going to demystify the magic behind Photoshop layers. Layers are the building blocks of Photoshop, allowing you to organize and manipulate the different elements of your design independently. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to brush up your skill, this tutorial is perfect for you. Okay, so before we dive into it, let's take a quick tour of our Photoshop interface. On the right hand side, you will find the layer panel, and here I can just take my cursor, and this is the layer panel, and this is where the magic happens. You can access it by going to the windows and select here and give the layers, like you can easily select from the layer styles, and it will give you the layer panels in there. But I'm gonna use just take out, and it doesn't have to be like the layer panels, but take over the layers and it can give you the layer panels. Okay, and there are different also types of layer in Photoshops, and like the you have the background layer and also the next layer, adjustment layer, and more. So it all says specific purpose. Experiment with this to discover the possibilities and also create the new layer. Simply click over there and just click over, and it say the new layer, and just click over, and then that it can give you the new layers. And you can also adjust the type in here. I'm going to use something as the text and just say this will be the layer. So here we have the layers in there, and before that I'll change the colors of the font styles here. And now we have the two layers. Now if I insert the anything like the image from the files and use the place update, and let me choose one of the pictures of there. So let me use it this one, and here now is insert, and it's also give us another layer in there. Okay, so this way you can get another layer, and you can work through it there, and you can toggle the visibility of layers on the clicking icon next to it. So by clicking over here, now you cannot see there because we hide the if I just click over again, and now it shows up, and then click over and hide, and unhide for visibility. Okay, and you can find these options at the top of the layer panels and in there. Okay, so and if you want to take the layers of the text in front, so how can you show yourself? By dragging or hold it and just click it and take it to the top. It shows the top. By this way you can easily work with this one. Okay, so and also there's another options like before that. Just move this one in here, and opposites is control transparency of the layers. Play around with different blending mode to achieve unique effect, like mixing colors in the digital canvas. Like I can just decrease this one, and here now you can see the opposites of this one. Now I can also change here with the fields I want to use, so it will give you the different layers. Okay, so for a neat organized project, use the layer group. So you can do that. Select the multiple layers. Before I can just select this one and click over here and select and hold the control or shift and make it as a group, and click to create a new group, and it is now the group. And in the group there are several layers. Okay, so it's a game changer for complex and also layer marks. And also you can use the layer marks, and layer marks allows you for non-destructive editing, and you can hide or reveal parts of the layer without actually erasing anything. Simply click on the marks icon by clicking at the bottom of the layer panel, and it can give you the another layer marks in here. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial on introducing to Photoshop layers. As you experiment or practice, you will discover the endless creative possibilities they offer. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.